What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick. We are finally installing an exhaust system on this car. By that I mean a full actual exhaust system, because what I've got going on right now is a ER downpipes, and it's straight piped back to a MUFFLER Section 3 muffler, and it's got a ton of rasp. It gets very annoying for my daily driving. So what I did is I went ahead and bought myself Remus Sport catback exhaust. It's got mid pipes and it's got valves. It's what my car's been needing. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to install the exhaust. But before we go and do that, I do want to get you guys some clips of before, and we'll get you some for after. You know, after revving that thing a couple times, it does sound kind of nice, but you know, it's still a little too loud for me for everyday driving, so let's head on to the muffler shop. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. I'm super happy with this exhaust. I'm super happy with this valve option.